In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Meet camera failed. If you're seeing a camera failed message in Google Meet, don't worry. This walkthrough will get you back on video quickly. First, open your browser and search for Google Meet. Click the official Google Meet link so you're on the correct site, then sign into your account so you can access meetings and settings. Once you're on the site, look at the address bar at the top. Click the lock or site information icon next to the URL. This opens your site permissions. Find camera and toggle it to on or set it to allow. If you've previously blocked the camera here, switching it back to allow is often all it takes. After changing this, refresh the page so the browser picks up the new permission. Next, make sure no other app is already using your camera. Only one program can control the webcam at a time. Fully close apps like Zoom, Teams, Skype, or FaceTime that might be open in the background. Don't just minimize them, quit them completely. If a meeting app is holding the camera, Google Meet won't be able to access it. There's also a system-level setting that can block all apps from the camera. Open your computer settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Look for Camera, turn on camera access globally, and verify that both allow apps to access your camera and allow desktop apps to access your camera are switched on. The wording can vary by operating system, but the idea is the same. You need the master camera toggle enabled and permission for traditional desktop apps as well. If you change these settings, it's a good idea to relaunch your browser afterward. If you still don't have video, Google Meet might be trying to use the wrong input, like a virtual camera or a disconnected external one. Join or start a meeting, then click the three dots labeled More Options and choose Settings. Open the Video tab and look for the camera dropdown. Select the webcam you actually want to use. If you have multiple choices, pick the one that matches your device's name or your external camera brand. You should see a live preview right away, which confirms it's working. To wrap up, allow the camera in your browser's site permissions, close any competing video apps, enable camera access in your system privacy settings, and select the correct camera inside Google Meet's video settings. Follow these steps in order, and your camera should be back online.